Okay, students, welcome back. So now I will solve a small problem or theorem. See, what is that one? Find the equation of a chord, equation of a chord joining the points alpha and beta, joining the points alpha and beta on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Solution of proof. See, find the equation of a chord joining the points alpha and beta on the standard form of the ellipse. See, this is our ellipse. A dash, B dash. Okay. No need of drawing the actually figure, just for that convenient. This is center. Okay. We have 2 points. What is given? Alpha and beta are 2 points. This let it be alpha, let it be beta. Join these 2 points. See, equation of the chord, that is a chord. See, alpha, beta 2 points. It means alpha means P of alpha, beta means P of beta. Okay, chord is given. PQ is a chord. What are the coordinates of P and what are the coordinates of Q? Just we, in our previous video, we have taken the point P equal to A cos alpha, B sin alpha. You take this way here, K cos beta, B sin beta. It means this is P of alpha point, this is P of beta point. See, I want to find the equation of the chord PQ. Okay. Before going to find the equation, first we have to know the slope. What is slope? Slope of PQ. You know that slope formula, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It means this is the point x1 y1 point, this is x2 y2 point, right? And okay. See, y2 minus y1. y2 means b sin beta minus b sin alpha. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x2. A cos beta minus A cos alpha. See, y2 minus y1, b sin beta minus y1 value equal to b sin alpha. x2 minus x1, this is A cos beta minus A cos alpha. Okay. Or we can write here BB. Okay. If you take minus common, what happened here? B sin alpha minus B sin beta. Check up. Minus in beta. Yeah. Okay. By here also you take minus common. A cos alpha minus A cos beta. Minus 3 will cancel here. You know, slope can be represented by the letter M. So we have M. M equal to B sin alpha minus B sin beta by A cos alpha minus A cos beta. Okay. Now, equation of chord, that is PQ equal to, you know, y2 minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And any, not only chord, equation of any line passing through the point x1 y1 x2 y2 equal to y2 minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. Now again, equation of the peak equal y2 minus y1. y2 equal to b sine beta y2 y minus y1 y minus y1 equation y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1 equal to y minus y1 b sine alpha equal to m. What is m here? B sine alpha minus b sine beta by a cos alpha minus a cos beta into x minus x1. x1 means a cos alpha. See, once again, formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. y, okay. y1 value I substituted. B sine alpha equal to m. M is the slope. The slope equal to b sine alpha minus b sine beta by a cos alpha minus a cos beta into x minus x1. x minus x1 value equal to a cos alpha. Okay. Now implies y minus b sine alpha equal to, you take here b common. What happened? B into sine alpha minus sine beta. Here you take a common. Cos alpha minus cos beta into x minus a cos alpha. Okay. Now it implies y minus b sine alpha, this b is transformed to left side, becomes by b equal to sine alpha minus sine beta by cos alpha minus cos beta into x minus a cos alpha. You write the a here. What happened? Now see. Okay. Implies y minus b sine alpha by b equal to, yes, here sin c minus sin d by cos c minus cos d. CD formula. What is sin c minus sin d? You know, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. See, sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay. By cos c minus cos d. You know, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. And here c equal to alpha. 2 sin alpha plus beta 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2 into x minus a cos alpha by a. Once you remember the CD formula here, sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, and as cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Apply the same formula here. Here 2 cancel here. Now you can write here y minus b sin alpha by b, keep it here this side, here minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2 by sin alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2 into x minus a cos alpha by a. Here sin alpha minus beta by 2 in numerator and same in the denominator. So you cancel these 2. Now what happened? What are the remaining? You write here. See, y can write y by b or b sin alpha by b. equal to minus minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2, okay, into, you can also write x by a minus a cos alpha by a. Here b cancelled, here a cancelled. Now y by b minus sin alpha equal to minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into x by a minus cos alpha. We have the remaining terms here. Now see here. Next, what to do? Y by b minus sin alpha, cross multiplication. What happened? Sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 into x by a minus cos alpha. We have to simplify this part. See, what happened? See, y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 minus sin alpha into sin alpha plus beta by 2. Here minus x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus into minus plus cos alpha into cos alpha plus beta by 2. Now see, what is our result? Here. See, one or two steps are there. See, here, y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2. You transform this one, what happens? X by a cos alpha plus beta by 2. Okay. Here remaining term is cos alpha, okay. Cos alpha plus beta by 2. This one becomes plus sin alpha plus beta by 2. Again, x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to. Here observe here, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b equal to, what is the formula? Cos a minus b formula. Cos alpha minus alpha plus beta by 2. Or it becomes cos 2 alpha minus alpha plus beta by 2. This is right hand side, right? Here x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2. Here, what happened? 2 alpha minus alpha cos alpha plus beta by 2. See, what is our result here? You see the total result here. Cos alpha plus beta by 2 have on right hand side. Here right hand, left hand the same you write. What happened here? What is the remaining terms in the left hand side? See, x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos of alpha plus beta by 2. See, this is the equation of the chord passing through the points alpha and beta. See, we have taken alpha. This is our ellipse. See, this is our P point. You want chord PQ. P alpha and Q beta is given to you. See, you substitute the values of P and Q in the equation of line joining 2 points. You will get the equation of the card. Okay, thank you students.